Hey, if you have a Lenovo Legion Y-520, this is a great video for you to learn what's inside your computer. So after removing the screws from the casing on the bottom, just look for them, they're all in plain sight. You'll need to use like a thinner screwdriver to get to the middle ones. But after removing all those screws, just go ahead and pry up on the back right here where the screen is, and then just pry up and you'll be able to pop the cover off. This is really useful if you want to replace your M.2 drive, which is right here. I just put a Samsung Evo 970 1TB drive on it. This drive has been really awesome so far. I'll drop a link in the description of where you can find one of those. This really increases the storage and keeps the speed of the M.2 system. And then also we have an extra space for a standard hard drive or another 2.5-inch SSD over here. And I'll put a link to some of those as well where you can find those. So if you want to double your storage and have like a hard drive over here or SSD over here and then have the M.2 drive as well, it's a great option for you. You'll need to get a cable and I believe a bracket, so I'll put a link to those as well in the description. And then under here, which is why I'm upgrading this today, is our RAM. So we're just going to go ahead and lift this off. That's going to expose our RAM. So in here we have two slots of DDR4 2400 SoDIMMs. So these, I have 16 gigs currently. I'm upgrading to 32 gigs. So those will just pop out and we'll drop those in. The max for this computer is 32 gigs. And any DDR4, 1.2 volt, anything that's faster than 2400 speed, I believe, should work in this machine. And you'll be in good shape. So anyway, there's a little tour of the inside of the Lenovo Legion Y520 laptop, and hope you can accomplish what you're looking for.